Hello and thanks for watching. In this video we are going to use our 1-octave natural minor scale worksheet to figure out the notes for a natural minor scale in the key of G. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to write our major scale that we used with the major scale formula first so we can see that in the key of G. So Do is G, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, and then T was black key, and Do. So to make a natural minor scale, and that sounds like this, we're going to change 3 of the notes, 3 of the syllables. So we're going to change Mi, we're going to change La, and we're going to change T. By changing those notes and moving them down a half step, that makes a natural minor scale. So Do is going to stay the same. So we're going to write Do on the same as we did before. Re stays the same. Now we are going to change Mi into a different syllable. The syllable is called Me, and it's spelled M-E because it's Italian. Mi is going to change to Me, and it's going to move to this black key right here. It's going to move down a half step, so it's going to be now Me up there. Fa stays the same, doesn't change. So stays the same, doesn't change. La is going to change. So it was here, it's going to move down a half step. So Do, Re, Mi, Fa, So. La is going to turn into Le. It's going to go on to that black key there. Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La. T was up here on this black key, and now T is going to slide down a half step. Again, the half step is the very next key to Te, and Do remains the same. So now we have a natural minor scale, which sounds like this. So next thing we do is we're going to write the letters in the box, the corresponding letters. So Do is G, Re is A. Now Me is B something. Remember, we can only use the letters one time. So B flat, we call this B flat because we're putting a substitute note in there that is a half step lower. Fa is C, So is D, Le is E something, so it used to be E, now it's gone down a half step, so it's going to be E flat. Te used to be F sharp, now it's just going to be F. If you like, you can put F natural and F same thing, and then Do is G. Sounds like this. And step 3 now is we're going to draw our new natural minor scale. So G, second line from the bottom in the treble staff, that's called treble G. And we're going to alternate lines and spaces because all of these letters are touching in the alphabet, which means they're alternating line and space on the staff. So we have G, next one is going to be a space, that's going to be A. Next one is going to be B flat. And remember, we have to draw the flat before the note. So we're going to draw the flat. We're going to try to make sure that the line of that flat, the line goes in the middle of the flat symbol. So B flat. C is going to be on a space. D is going to be on a line. E flat, so we're going to draw the flat first. And now when we're drawing a flat on the space key, you put it in between the 2 lines. So there's nothing going through the middle of the flat. So it's E flat. If you like, we can draw an F natural to show that we canceled out the sharp with that. You don't have to draw that. F natural, and then G sitting on the space on the top. Do the same thing for the bass clef. Low G is on a line, so it's going to be line, space, then B flat. We're going to draw the flat first. Let the line go through the middle of the flat symbol. C is a space. D is a line. E flat, drawing the flat in between the two lines to show that it goes with a space note. And I won't draw the natural this time, I'll just draw F and G. You've just created G natural minor. You've just created G natural minor. Thanks for watching, and you can check out the video on how to create a harmonic minor scale next.